can shout out my name so far. A case of musty?
Didn't you not see the list I sent you?
Which list?
Christmas?
Which list for Christmas?
I want a PlayStation, a controller, and a new iPhone.
You're lucky. Me look like a Santa Claus to you. You want PlayStation, you want your iPhone, and you want what?
A PlayStation controller.
PlayStation controller. You're lucky. Let me tell you what for me mother that tell me, master. First of all, back in that Timmy time, me have a very good report card even if me want to go to my mother to ask her for anything. Second of all, me can't give her no list because she look at me like say me a drink mad puss piss. You can't go long. When you carry report card come, make we match it up to the amount of sitting them what you want. My people, them your picnic you nowadays no easy, you know. Them a tell you what they want, you know. You remember back in a few time? We couldn't ask with parents for nothing as a matter of fact, they never happy figure we. Hey, when we need like a food, God bless we soul, them provide the food and we eat it. But asking or giving list for Christmas, what kind of song kissing so? A different generation, you know. Then just highlight Mr. Maspus. Hey, my people, drop a line below no, and make me hear phone no memories. Back in the day, me used to get one little fifi, and when me blow me little fifi, and me little balloon, Lord, when it bust, you know, them the time them me want ball, man. But let me tell you, those were sweet, sweet days. You remember back in the day for no Christmas? I remember one time me get one little dolly from foreign, Lord, not nice, so me never want nobody play with me dolly. Yes, man, them they are sweet memories. Drop a line below and make me hear phone no memories now. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world on a day.